This is a typical logarithm problem where base to the log is an unknown variable x and you have to find the value of this unknown variable when log of square root of x minus 1 to the base x is equals to 1. To solve this problem, first of all, you have to use the fundamental property of logarithm, that is log a to power n to the base a is equals to n. If a equals to x, then this can be written as log x to power n to the base x is equals to n. If n is equals to 1, then this simplifies to log x to power 1 to the base x is equals to 1. Now, if we compare this one with the main problem where base is same and the value of n is same, so after comparison, we can find square root of x minus 1 is equals to x to power 1, which is equals to x is equals to square root of x minus 1. Now, squaring on both sides of the equation, this simplifies to x squared is equals to x minus 1. Transfer this side, this is equals to x squared minus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now, this equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 1. Now to find the value of x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 multiplied a, which is equals to minus b. b is minus 1 plus 1 plus minus square root of b square minus 1 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 1 divided by 2. This is simplifies to 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3 divided by 2 is equals to 1 plus minus 3 is equals to I square root of 3 divided by 2. So for this equation, we got two values of x which are complex numbers. So x equals to one value is 1 plus square root of 3i divided by 2, and another value is 1 minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. This is our answer.